A solution to chronic kidney disease. Hello everyone, today I want to share with you some great information about dealing with chronic kidney disease (CKD). Kidney disease is a growing health problem worldwide and affects millions of people. If you or someone you know is suffering from CKD, don't worry because there is hope and a way to effectively manage the condition. Chronic kidney disease (CKD) is the gradual loss of kidney function over a long period. If not managed properly, it can lead to various complications, including kidney failure and the need for dialysis or a kidney transplant. The good news is that there is a solution to CKD that can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle and prevent further kidney damage. To find out if you or someone you know has CKD, you should consult your doctor for a thorough examination. Some common symptoms of CKD include frequent urination, loss of muscle mass, and swelling of the legs or feet. As kidney function declines, these symptoms may worsen. Now let's discuss the solution to CKD. It includes a balanced diet rich in nutrients, regular exercise, and avoiding harmful substances. These three factors are essential for maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing further damage. A balanced diet is essential for managing CKD. You should consume a diet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. However, it is essential to limit the intake of salt, sugar, and saturated fat. You can consult a dietitian or nutritionist for individual advice on your CKD diet. Regular exercise is another important aspect of dealing with CKD. Engaging in physical activity for at least 30 minutes a day can help improve your cardiovascular health, maintain a healthy weight, and reduce stress on your kidneys. Finally, quitting smoking and minimizing alcohol consumption are essential for maintaining good health and preventing complications of CKD. In conclusion, if you or someone you know has CKD, don't lose hope. With proper diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes, you can maintain good health and prevent further kidney damage. Remember, early detection and intervention are key to effective CKD management. Therefore, take care of your health and, if necessary, seek professional help.